Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. A quick update here. You can see Dogecoin. We're going to do this all in the 1 hour time frame because we are still traveling, right? So this is the easiest way to do this. The 1 hour time frame, you can see, I think this is a far enough time frame out to kind of see what's going on, right? And as you can see right here, as we take out our industry exclusive purchasing tool, we got down here the price that tried to bounce and double bottom, sort of, right, off of the symmetrical triangle and just below this green major fib circle that we've been watching. And we're kind of formed a little double bottom there where you wick down, came up, got rejected by the 50-day moving average right there in double bottom. Now you're coming back up. That's what we're going to watch out for now, to see if you can't get over this 200-day moving average in the 3 hour or 4 hour time frame, and then get up back to this green fib circle and see if you don't ride up that and then get rejected, right? That's a bearish scenario, and that's a very high possibility of it happening. A lower possibility is, I'm not going to get my drawing tool out now because I'm driving, is you get on top of this fib circle, start dancing on it on the reverse way of this, but on the upside right here, and then you trade your way up in between this upper resistance at 25 cents and then this uptrending fib circle, right? And you trade within this area and try to get bullish, right? That's the way to get bullish. The bearish way is the way that it looks like you may be on now, but you did have a little volume spike, so we're going to keep an eye on that on Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, right? XRP is the same thing, right? If we look at it, we'll take away this nonsense right there for purposes of discussion, right? Get rid of that. Get back to our purchasing tool. And this is similar fashion to Dogecoin. You can see we're in this falling channel, right? And now we're at the upper end of this and the 200-day moving average in green right there. If you want to get bullish, you got to get up on top of that 200-day and then make a run back at this major overhead resistance just below this green support volume indicator where all the volume's been traded recently, and that's going to act as overhead major resistance, this 106 line. And if you come up to that and get on top of this green moving average, this is going to be your major overhead resistance that I would watch out for as a major rejection point, right? Or the bearish scenario right now is you get rejected by this 200-day and you trade back down towards this 87-cent target. So we're going to keep an eye on that. A bullish scenario for XRP is you got to get over this 200-day and make a run at this major overhead resistance. This white horizontal line from left to right, if you're looking at the screen like I am, at the $1.06 mark, and that would be a way to get bullish. And then you would consolidate and try to break over that, right? The bearish case is you get rejected by this moving average right now, the green moving average, the green 200-day, and you come back down towards the bottom part. The first major support underneath would be at about 92 cents, and then if you fail to hold that, you'd come down to about the 87 cent, right? So that's what you're looking at there. And XRP, XLM is the same thing. You can see we bounced off beautifully off the lower fib circle. Like we've been telling you, you're playing these fib circles, right? So we broke down out of this fib circle way up there, and we came and touched this next one underneath beautifully, came up, hit the 200-day moving average, got rejected, back tested it a few times, and then flushed. Came right down to the lower fib circle that we've had marked at 30 cents, and now we've bounced off it beautifully, and we're coming on up towards the 200-day. And now to get bullish, you got to get above the 200-day and come back up at this major fib circle and retest this. It's an uptrending, right? That's how you get bullish. You get on up into here over the 200-day moving average there. A bearish case is you get rejected right now, back test and double bottom along this fib circle, and then fall through and you come down to the next fib circle underneath, because that's how this works, right? That's what we're watching out for here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. I'm traveling, so this is going to be a short update on the fly. You can see most of the coins haven't really been doing anything today, so there hasn't been really any need to make any updates. You can watch the prior videos on any of the prior coins that you need today if you need updates, because they're all relatively going as planned, as they've been, and as they were forecast to go by Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, right? You can see Raven Coin is doing exactly what we thought it would do. If we can get my phone to cooperate, see that? We were looking for a back test maybe, and it's just been going straight down, so it's not doing anything. So continue to follow that phenomenal TA we've given that lovely subscriber, and we'll do updates. If we can't get to it today because of travel, we'll do a more extensive one tomorrow. But you can see right here on Elastos, it's come back up and back tested right here, and it's getting rejected. And our 2 tracks was for it to come up and back test it, get rejected, and start trading down towards that $3.65, or it could hop back up into that symmetrical triangle. My beautiful subscriber, you know, by following TA that we've been following on our daily updates here, and that's option 1. And it's getting rejected right now. And if it takes the ladder, it trade down now after getting rejected there, right? So we're going to continue to watch out for that to see how this all plays out in live real time. But currently right now it's getting rejected up there. We'll give you extensive updates as we get back to the hotel. Lovely subscribers, peace and love, peace and love.